Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with NordPass for passwordless login, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with NordPass, first, navigate to the official NordPass website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. Next, you will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Select a strong master password that meets the indicated criteria. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Now, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive an email from NordPass for verification. Open your email and locate the verification message from NordPass. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the NordPass website and log in using your email and master password. After logging in, navigate to the Settings menu within your account. Find the option for Passwordless login and activate it. You may be required to complete additional security steps, such as enabling two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred authentication method. Once you have completed the setup, you can now use your NordPass account without entering your password. Make sure to test the passwordless login by signing out and then logging back in. Your NordPass account is now fully operational with passwordless login features. Enjoy managing your passwords securely and conveniently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.